Hello. So in this video we will see how do we calculate interest. How do we calculate compound interest when we are calculating the interest quarterly, when we are compounding quarterly. So in this video we will do this question, okay, and we will see the concept as well. In previous video we have studied half yearly compound interest. What is compound interest? What is the difference between simple and compound interest? So you can refer to those videos for concepts, okay. So here we will see we are compounding quarterly, okay. We know what is the formula for calculating amount when we are calculating compound interest. So what is the amount? P 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. Okay. And what do we do when we compound half yearly? Because there are 2 half years in 1 year. So what do we do? What is the formula then? We divide the rate by 2 and multiply the time by 2. This is the formula. And similarly, we have, when we are compounding quarterly, we have 4 quarters in 1 year. 1 year is equal to 4 quarters. So we compounded 4 times in 1 year. So what do we do in that case? The formula for amount is principal 1 plus we divide the rate by 4 and multiply the time by 4, because time is 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarters. So what do? We divide the rate by 4 and multiply the rate by 4. So here in this question, principal is 8,000 rupees, okay, and rate is 20%, okay. Compounded quarterly, then it will become 20% upon 4. That means 5%, okay. And time is, n is here 9 months. This is the concept here, 9 months. I have already told you in my previous videos, when we have time in months, what do? First we make in years, okay. When we make in years, we divide it by 12. Why? Because 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 1 month is equal to 1 by 12 years. 9 months is equal to 9 by 12 years, okay. And then because we are compounding quarterly, what do we need to do? We need to multiply by 4, okay. We need to multiply the time by 4. So we get 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. 3 years, okay. So here what is the formula for amount now? 8,000 1 plus 5 by 100 raised to power 3. This is the formula, okay. Then because we have here, we are not writing 400 because we have already divided by 4. Either you can divide by 4 here, or you can just directly substitute in this formula, okay. So 8,000, 5 ones are 5, this is 20. You will get 21 by 20 raised to power 3. So this is 8,000 multiply 21 cube by 20 cube. We know 20 cube is 8,000. 20 multiply 20 multiply 20. So we will cancel out this. This will be 21 cube is 9261. And now this is amount. But in our question, we need to find out compound interest. So be careful and read the question, whatever you need to find, okay. You will have to find that. So compound interest is amount minus principal, okay. Amount is 9261. Principal is 8,000. So interest is 1261. So we were calculating for 9 months because this was compounded quarterly. at 20%. After 9 months we got 9261 and the interest is 1261. So here the formulas are written for annually, half yearly, quarterly. You can just direct apply in formula or you can do by this as well. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you are liking, please subscribe to my channel for more questions of mathematics Olympiad and more concepts. Please follow my channel, and thank you so much for watching.